Hello guys, today I am going to make Navbar. First of all, open the spck editor, create a new project. Here you can see the plus button and click it and click to new project. Here you will see different type of projects, but you need to create HTML. So creating HTML, click your name and let's create. After creating, you will get index.html, main.js and style.css. So here all are connected with each other. We don't need to connect every time. So your project will start from here, and we don't need this. And after body tag, we are starting our project. So first of all, we need to create a container dot container. Dot is used for class and container is used for class name, but in this specific editor, if you will click this, if you will write this, and if you will click this one, you will get the div. So here we get div with the name of class container. And now I am going to make a nav dot is used for class, so I am adding class navbar using camel case, and then I am clicking this one button. Here I am going to add the logo. So for that I am importing the file. So you can import file from here by using plus and import files, then choose the photo and you will get photo, but I am changing the name logo png, logo.png. Now here you can use img and dot logo for class name. So I'm again clicking this one. Here you can add src, that we have logo dot png. As we know, here is our logo.png. Now I'm going to add ul on order list, and again clicking this one, then I'm getting ul, and here I'm going to create a list, again list, and inside list I'm going to add a link that is called a link, and again I'm clicking this one, I get this link href, and inside this I am writing home. And if you want to copy this whole line at once, then you can use shift alt and this one arrow down, alt shift and arrow down, alt shift and arrow down. Now I am changing name, chat about us, contact us. Now let's see the output. We have one logo, and here is our some list. We need to fix this. For that I am changing the style of the image logo. So here is our class name logo. We know that first of all we are doing star, and this will apply for all the elements of the css and html. padding 0, at initial stage there is some padding, so to remove that initial stage some padding, we are doing this padding 0, margin 0, and we are also adding box sizing border box to control overflow from div. Now dot logo, I am changing the size of image, wide 100 pixel. Now you can see the size of image is changed. Now the second problem is we need this in same line, home, chat, about us, contact us. For that I am going to take this navbar size dot navbar height 60 pixel, background I am giving random background color for our result. Now you can see the background color of navbar. We need this elements, this list element inside this navbar, so I am going to do a display flex. Now we can see everything is in this line, but home, chat, about us, contact us are not in line. So to make that we are using dot navbar list, sorry, ul and then list. Now display inline block. Now you can see inline, but one problem is it is not in center, so for that we are going to make align item center. And now you can see everything is in line. So our main problem is that here is underline. So to remove that we have, first I have to select the element dot nav bar ul and then li and then a. If you are confusing how I am selecting this, then look here. First of all we have dot navbar and then ul and then li and then a, and it is selecting all the li a. So here we go, style.css, and here we can add text decoration none, and we can see the magic is on our hand. So I am changing the color, color black. Now we have no margin between the two lists, home, chat, about us are so near, so I am going to add margin 100 right 20 pixel, margin left 20 pixel. And you can see this, there are some margin between list. So our another challenge is, here you can see this list are not in right side, so our next task is to make this in right side. For that, first of all you have to make display flex navbar, the parent elements should be flex, and then you can use this margin left auto dot navbar ul, and this should be margin left auto. This auto can work only in display flex, so you need to make sure. Now you can see this all are in right side. Let's add some hover effect. When we hover, this link color should be changed. Dot navbar ul li a and pseudocode hover. Now we can change the color. Color, I am choosing random color. So here we get the color, and now after clicking this I am getting the color. When I hover here I am getting the color. So this is our navbar tutorial. So our next video will be on about how to fix this navbar. If you see the example of other website, this navbar will stick every time here, but in our case now it is not sticked. For example, here you can see I have opened the collegesnepal.com random website. I don't know which website is this, but here you can see if you scroll this, and this college Nepal search button and some menu option sticked there, which means that is sticked in one place. So we will be learning in next video that how to stick that navbar. Thank you for watching.